issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, central Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Westfield to near Lake Delton to 10 miles south of Hillsboro, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Reedsburg, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, Lake Delton, Platte, Partyville, Montello, West Baraboo, Ryle, Packwaukee, Wyotina, Bluffview, North Freedom, Macon, Oxford, Endeavor, Merrimack, and Longvale. People attending Sauk County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilbourne Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant, and Pockaway Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.